Hey y'all, it's Taylor from Tattoo Teacher Plans. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Today we're doing a plan with me in my Planning Roses planner, which is kind of a B6 size. And by the way, I'm loving it. I've been in it for a couple of months now, and it's just a really good fit for me right now in my season of life. So I found this kit in my collection because I'm actually so low on kits right now. I don't know what my problem is. I haven't been buying anything. I probably won't even have an April haul because I don't have anything to show you. But I found this in my collection and I've been meaning to use it for a couple years now, and it's really cute. I just haven't found a week for it. So I thought, why not? When am I going to get another chance to use this cute little kit? So this is a mini kit from Jessica Hearts, and it's called Spring in Bloom. It's just bright and sunny, and I think it's just really pretty, and it's got some bold flowers and some wood details, and the colors are just really fun too. It does have this overlay thing that I think I want to use. I just have to figure out how to cut everything. So that's what I'm going to be using this week. Let's check in with my weekly actions. A lot of these will look familiar from last week, but I just feel like I've found a I've kind of found a groove. I don't know. I'm feeling it. So I'm just going to continue and be consistent because I think there's power in consistency too. So that's what I'm going with. I do have a couple of things here that are, finishing up projects and things, but pretty much everything is the same as it's been because it's working right now and for what I need. So this is just kind of, consistency, I guess, is a good thing. So let's go ahead and get started on this. I don't have a ton going on this week, but I am excited to use this kit because I forgot I even had it. So let's jump right in. So I quickly realized that this kit has got to be at least 2 years old, and the stickers were a little hard to work with because they weren't quite as sticky as they used to be, but I made it work with what I had. So I put that overlay on the bottom washi and then split it down the middle for my habit tracker and to-do section. I have no idea how I lined it up so well, but I'm very grateful that I did. I did have to cut it apart just a little bit because I didn't really know how hard I needed to press with my X-Acto knife. But I do think that looks so pretty right there. And then for my date covers, I'm just writing in the dates. This week, I could have found some gold numbers. I just wasn't in the mood. So then I'm just putting those in where I like them. Still really enjoying having the first part of the week on one side and the weekend on the other. Just kind of makes sense with my brain. You can see kind of the problems I'm having with the stickers from time to time. Nothing wrong with the kit. It's just I should have used this kit 2 years ago, but I'm happy to use it now. And then I just cut down this little flag here to add to my habit tracker section, just to kind of add a little bit to that. Just make it look cute. And then moving to my sidebar, I'm going to use one of the, I was going to use the overlays, but I was just afraid I was going to mess it up because it was so specific to what was on the box. So you'll see at the end when I add some overlays, but I went ahead and put in that full box along with my April sticker from Planning Roses. And then for my cleaning checklist this week, I went with this really pretty blue. I wanted to bring out the blues in this kit because blues and greens are kind of my favorite colors. And I do love peach, but pink is just not really my thing all the time. So bringing in more of those blues and greens was really, I just wanted to do it this week. Just to kind of make myself feel a little bit better using so much pink. But I just built my sidebar here with my top 3 checklist and the hand can plan sticker that says top 3. And then I put in a half box for kind of my highlight of the week, which this week I chose to highlight that we have 5 more weeks of school left, including this one. So 4 after this week. It's going to be here before we know it. It's so fast. So I'm putting in some full boxes here. Now I had to use the girl sticker as is because I had to use it and I just couldn't cut it down. So I'm cutting down some of the other stickers and just kind of eyeballing it, like where I wanted to cut off the design. I didn't end up using all of the full boxes, which I never do anyway, but I am using a lot of pieces of the full boxes, which is nice. So I'm going to put one in on Monday here, which I usually don't put one on Monday, but that one was really skinny, so I felt like I could. And then one on Tuesday and Thursday. I really love that Thursday box. And then I put this watercolor one on Friday. So let's go to the actual plans for this week. So that box there on Monday is for my workout for Monday. And then for my videos this week, I just cut down this 3-heart checklist since I had 3 videos. So Monday was my plan with me, Wednesday was my Easter week memory plan with me, and Friday was a video that you guys seem to really like, how my planner system works. So if you have some other ideas for videos that you want to see, because that one was one that I kind of got from you guys in a roundabout way. So let me know if you have some requests and I will see what I can do. So now I'm just testing my dot marker to see which one would match, and I decided the blue would match the best because none of the other ones were really like a good match with the kit. And then I'm going to go back to the first part of the week and continue on my plans over there. So Tuesday, I wanted to put in some meetings, well, Tuesday and Wednesday. I just pulled some asterisk stickers from my collection that are gold foiled to just add a little bit of foil to those labels. If you've been watching me a while, you know I don't go over the top with the foil, but I do like some touches of it. So I had several meetings this week, but they were the same topic on Tuesday and Wednesday. So I just put in one label for those just to remind myself when I look at my planner in the morning. And then for the rest of Tuesday, I wanted to put in a quarter box for my workout. I also wanted to mark in my blue apron delivery that came on Tuesday, along with tidying up. And I'm going to kind of move some things around here on Tuesday. You'll see that at the end, but I do like to schedule my tidying up. So I did put it in here, but I'm going to kind of move it down a little bit, and yeah, we'll just come back to that. So next up, I'm looking for an icon sticker to mark that tidying up, and I'm just going to pull one of these little things and I'm going to chop off the little icon and just use that skinnier label there to mark in my tidy up session. So I'm going to put that down at the bottom. No, I'm not. I'm going to put it right above the bottom, and then later on I will fill in that space. So then on to Wednesday. Here is my box for my workout, and then there is Thursdays. If I have less room, I'll use a quarter box. If I have more room, I'll use a half box. And then I'm going to do the same thing I did on Tuesday with the tidying up by just using one of those little things and chopping off the icon. And then the cleaning stickers I'm using are from Sadie Stickers. They are really cute. They're not available anymore, but they are adorable. Okay, then on to the weekend. So I did want to put in something for some kind of activity on Friday. And then here I'm also just trying to make myself some more labels or quarter boxes. So I'm just kind of cutting down this full box here. So I'm going to put that in at the top. And I'm going to use this little laptop sticker to mark in the 3 weeks mark for school. And then that box is for my activity for Friday, which was just stretching. It's a little worn out. And then on Saturday morning, I always like to check in with my goals and write my action items for the next week. So I'm pulling in a Moxie Life sticker from Blue Scooter Press and a Handkin Plan goal check-in sticker right there. And then for filming, I'm just going to pull in some more like cut off full boxes. It was easy with this kit because there was a lot to work with when it comes to like blank space on full boxes. And I just pulled in an icon again from Sadie Stickers. And then that box on Saturday night ended up being just some relaxation time. And then these boxes here that I just laid down were for my workouts for Saturday and Sunday. And then I'm just filling in my checklist real quick with some to-dos. and then also deciding on my habit trackers. So that was read every day, PT exercises, and 15 minutes of intuitive eating learning. I'm getting a little lazy on my PT exercises, so I need to get back on that and do it for the full time and all that. And then for my sidebar, my top 3 included updating my budget, working on skincare, making that a priority this week, and cleaning up my workspace at work, which kind of got done, kind of didn't. I'm going to continue to work on that. And then for my highlights, I wanted to, like I mentioned, mark in 5 weeks of school left, and I'm just going through these Coffee Monsters Co. stickers, and since it was Ramadan this week, I just picked the Layla sticker. She looks so cute with her little pencil. I thought that would be a cute character sticker to use this week. And then I decided just randomly that I was going to put in some overlays because why not? So I had to figure out some overlays that would actually work with what I had, which like on the full boxes, because some of them were like covering up the words and all of that. So I found these from Scribble Prints Co. These are so old. They're like 3 years old, I think, but they ended up being kind of perfect because they were just on the outside of the box and they didn't kind of cover up the writing, which I love. I'm just running my ruler over it to make sure it adheres. And I did the same thing with this girl sticker. I kind of wish I'd used the one from the kit, but I was just too scared. And I just love how the overlays look. It's just a little touch, but it does make a difference. So here is how this week is turning out. It is currently Saturday, and I am going to work out today. I started rewatching The Handmaid's Tale Season 3 just so I can catch up before it starts up again with Season 4 next week. It's hard to watch it in big blocks of time, so I'm trying to spread it out throughout the whole weekend so that it's just a lot. It's very emotionally intensive and it just upsets me sometimes, but I love that show. It's so interesting and I just can't look away. Love it. So I also have a workout on Sunday to do. Scheduled me some rest time. Got some to-dos and some habits to check off as well, and cleaning. Haven't even started on that, but I will get it done. I will. So let me show you my weekly actions for this week. Did pretty well. I definitely want to do some different things next week, but it was a good week. It was really busy at work, but good. I got a lot done. I got some major projects wrapped up, and some are kind of in flux right now, but we're starting to get to the end of the school year, and it's just going to be here before we know it, and it's just going to be really busy until then. But I'm excited for summer for sure. This week, I really was focusing on health and wellness and personal growth over here. And I feel really like in a really good headspace right now. So I feel like I can take on a little bit more in both of these areas. So I am going to start doing that, and it's going to be a major goal for May for sure. But good week all around. This week turned out so cute. I love the foil. Obsessed with this. Can't even believe that I laid down that overlay so well. I'm really impressed with myself because I thought I was going to mess that up. I do want to add just a few more like little bows and things. So I've got these from Sadie Stickers. I've also got some little hearts that I could add. So I think that these will kind of bring the spread together. So let me do that real quick so you can actually see what I'm doing. All right, I think that looks good. This is so cute. I just really like this. I'm really glad I used this kit because I probably would never have used it if I didn't use it this week. And I'm really glad that I worked it into my rotation. I will not have a haul this month in April, but I just didn't have enough stuff. But I will have a big one in May, so stay tuned for that. You guys are loving this video here, how my planner system works. So thank you so much for the love on that. I am glad I did that video. It was a lot of work, but I'm glad I did it because y'all seem to love it. But thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this plan with me. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And I'll see you next time. Bye.